siya ulit sa biyahe ng Gilas kasi maganda yung naging rapport nila ni Coach Kim. Medyo nagbigay sa atin ng gold medal sa Asian Games. Ano po ba si Coach Al Francis na makatulong ulit sa team?
Si Coach Al Francis, no, whether or not meron siyang official capacity sa ating Gilas team, laging tumutulong yan. Nakakaasa ako lagi kay Coach Al Francis para tumulong sa atin sa Gilas team. And I think he will continue to do so, no? Regardless of whether siya ang team manager or hindi.
Ma'am, any updates sa 3x3, men and women?
We have a competition coming up for our under-23 3x3 teams, no? This is the FIBA Nations League in June in Handan, China. Okay, it's a total of 6 stops. Okay, which means no, we will have the opportunity to gather a lot of points for our ranking. Alam naman natin ang 3x3 based yan sa points sa FIBA. So we're really looking forward to that tournament in June.
Ma'am, na-discuss po kanina yung umiikot si Coach Common Black para makakita ng talent. Wala kayong chance na kami yung mga medyo matatagal na sana meron nung araw na intercollegiate na parang tingin namin ang ganda-ganda na gusto sana namin. Wala kayong chance na makabalik yung liga na yon na makikita mo talaga yung mga players doon sa competition, naglalaban-laban sila. By the way, si Coach Virgil, dating National Intercollegiate Champion doon. Nag-champion na nasal sa Baguio Intercollegiate.
Ang nagiging problema natin sa intercollegiate is the scheduling, ano. I think yung PCCL naging problema din yan palagi kasi iba-iba na yung ating schedule ngayon ng basketball tournaments for college. May first semester, may second semester. The other thing, no, with regards to the semestral calendars is our school year has also moved. Di ba? Dati sa June nagsisimula lahat. Ngayon may iba June pa rin, pero merong July, merong August. Kaya medyo mahirap i-align. But if we are able to align, no, and get a common time, a common week in the year for our stakeholders where they can all participate, I think it's something that we should bring back.
Mopedalist Malay. Ma'am, just a little bit more background on our prospective naturalist players. Yung favor Ono, what position does he play? How old is she? How long has she been in the more or less something you like? She's a scholar, of course. All our state scholars at UP, but then just a little bit more background on her, please.
Sure. So si Favor, no, she's Nigerian national at this point. She's been here for I think 2 to 3 years. Dito na po nag-senior high school si Favor.
Oh, okay.
She's 18 years old right now, so very young. She's 6'4", she plays the center position.
Okay, so ano ba siya? Lefty or right? So malakas ngayon yung UP yung Baluts na.
Yes, so last year po she won the Rookie of the Year award in the UAP for the women's division.
So, kamusta na ma'am si Jack? How is she?
So Jack is doing very well. She's playing in Australia now in the NBL 1. There are 2 Filipinas, no, 2 Gilas members playing there. The other one is Jasmine Hoson. Okay, so they're both imports, and they have what we call Gilas clauses in their contract, which means no, they're free to come back when there's a Gilas competition to represent us.
Thank you very much.
Si Arbat, last.
EDN ka. I want to ask lang rin po, ano po yung naging selection process din po ng SPP when it comes to sa pagpili ho ng kay Favor on us, a potential candidate?